pansit manang.
Kain na, ate. Sakit. Nahubog na ka.
Macaroni?
Hi guys. Ate. Ay, kuya.
Ininit mo muna. Leslie! Sauce. Ano yung tawag doon? Sorry, ate.
Nakamukulay. Nahubog na ko.
Kain na po kayo.
Ito, that's Guatemala rice. My next door neighbor, she gave me this. She cooked for me, but she was so sick. That's Guatemalan rice. It's good. It's good.